Now as a dining area, you can convert this place into a dining. Once you move into the kitchen area, they are providing this is the much more spacious room of your house. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at RLD Avita, which is located in Madhavaram, Chennai, a project developed by RLD Builders. And today we are here to check out the 3 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project, and this is the land parcel and you can check out the tower itself. So basically, after looking at the tower, you can say it's nearly positioned project and the marketing office is available in this tower itself. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers, so book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project with the help of this miniature. So basically this project is constructed on total 2.26 acres of land parcel consisting of 6 towers with each tower of stilt plus 5 floors, having 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies and even Jodi apartment is available. Now let's discuss the amenities part, and the project provides you 30 plus world-class amenities like here's the grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities, here's a garden area with sit-out area, there's a yoga deck on rooftop, banquet hall, mini theatre, kids play area and many more amenities. Now let's discuss the location part, and basically this project is located in next lane of Madhavaram Botanical Garden in Madhavaram, Chennai. And now let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road will take you towards New Madhavaram bus stand, and the opposite side road will take you towards Madhavaram Botanical Garden. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project, Veramal Global School is 100 meters away. You can connect to Murari Metro in 900 meters. Reliance Market is 3.2 kilometers away from the location of the project. So this is your 3 BHK model flat of 1,738 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at this beautiful model flat. So here's the main entrance, and once you enter, you can check out that they have basically provided a foyer area, which is not just a foyer area. You can use this place as a home office or else in a multi-purpose way as ever you like. And now you can check out, this is a place where you can set your sofa, set your TV unit and make it as a living area. Now as a dining area, you can convert this place into a dining area. You can set your easily 6 to 4 seater of dining table, which has a connecting balcony as well. And this is the connecting balcony. So let me show you the balcony. Once you move into the balcony, you can check out the wooden finishing flooring. Those are anti-skid as well. Here's the iron railing, and this balcony is 3-side covered. Now moving further towards your kitchen area, so with the easy access to your dining area, here's your kitchen area. Once you move into the kitchen area, they are providing this area very beautifully and the spacious one where you can add up the platform like this in a L shape, the cabinets, and this kitchen area has its own utility area as well. So basically here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Exactly beside it is the entrance for your utility area with anti-skid flooring and iron railing. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space, and this is the bedroom number 1. And once you move in, here's your spacious bedroom area with a huge bed space over here. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, so you can check out the window. So this provides a well ventilation and a natural light to your room as well. This side is your attached washroom. So let's check out the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now let's move further towards your bedroom number 2. So for that, this bedroom is on the opposite side of your bedroom number 1. So you have to take a walk from your dining and the living area. And this is your bedroom number 2. You can check out with a huge bed space over here. Again, this side is the window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And the space over here is ample of space that they are providing here. Now, let's move further towards your master bedroom, but before that, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tool, with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. Now about the master bedroom. But before entering towards the master bedroom, here the site is your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now this is the entrance for your master bedroom. So once you enter, let me show you the bedroom space. And this is the much more spacious room of your house with a window for ventilation and purpose over here. This side is the bed space where you can add up a huge bed. Here's your TV unit space. And now the attached washroom. Yes, this bedroom is attached to washroom as well. And this is the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, as you all know, we are here in Madhavaram, Chennai. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of this property, you can visit our website www.housey.com, and in the I button also you'll be getting all the information. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.